Let's Learn Thai has come back. If you want to use modal verbs like can, should, will, must, have to in Thai language, how can you say? I'm going to tell you right now. The first one, can. When you want to say that you can do something in Thai language, you can just say that verb and then add the word "dai" after the verb. For example, I can swim, then you can say ฉัน or ผม ว่ายน้ำได้ So you just add the word "dai" after the verb. Or someone might tell you that can means สามารถ in Thai and you want to use the word สามารถ You put the word สามารถ in front of the verb and that sentence would be formal. For example, I can swim ผมสามารถว่ายน้ำได้ It has exactly the same meaning. You just add the word สามารถ in front of the verb. The second word is will or in Thai จะ If you want to say you want to do something or you will do something, you just add the word จะ in front of the verb. For example, I will see a movie tomorrow. Or in Thai ฉัน or ผมจะไปดูหนังพรุ่งนี้ So you just add the word จะ before the verb to say that you will do that thing. The third one is should or in Thai ควร or ควรจะ For example, you want to say you should read a book. In Thai, you say คุณควรจะอ่านหนังสือ Or you can say only คุณควรอ่านหนังสือ You can say either ควร or ควรจะ Both mean should. The fourth one, may or might, which in Thai it is อาจ or อาจจะ For example, you say I might go there tomorrow. In Thai, you can say ฉัน or ผมอาจจะไปที่นั่นพรุ่งนี้ Or you can say ผม or ฉันอาจไปที่นั่นพรุ่งนี้ You can use either อาจ or อาจจะ The fifth one, must or have to, which in Thai is ต้อง For example, you have to come here tomorrow. In Thai, it is คุณต้องมาที่นี่พรุ่งนี้นะ While if you want to say must not or mustn't, then you say ไม่ต้อง While if you want to say don't have to, then you say ไม่จำเป็นต้อง For example, you don't have to drink that coffee. In Thai, you say คุณไม่จำเป็นต้องดื่มกาแฟแก้วนั้นนะ I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can use more Thai words in your daily life. Have fun learning Thai and see you again in my next video. Stay tuned. ไปก่อนแล้วนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ